loi le pai ti ho zo se na bon chao in tunin hom thai koi chenelin na bon chao in kan yo kim he session aban ana char kin tin average concept apoi mo tam ta in jil do ta tuni hin session thum chana in aban ana jil kin tin ama penin question number 28 written A, B, C, D, and E are 5 continuous natural numbers. The average is equal to natural numbers 5 continuous natural number atile consecutive natural number atile natural number in the part le natural number starts with 1 any number that begins with 1 is called natural number. 0 akipa na the whole number that means natural number sequence an hi phat le eptm ti le plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 khana ki bom khana consecutive ki ne jo ale average is a data nga number nga api chu a b c d e average is a hui data mi ti le suppose a number bang chu 3 4 5 6 7 hongi tele average ipidham tile alai lai ta chu pai average is check ball chun 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12 12 plus 6 18 18 plus 7 25 25 divided by 5 5 is 25 5 is the average na alai lai ta chu ji so ale lai jong hi bele chun c hi average hi di do ale c chu in terms of consecutive number express lechun b hi ep dangam a plus 1 na c hi ep dangam a plus 2 d hi ep dam a plus 3 kharkhan akal chu na kharkhan akal hi ji aju c chu a plus 2 aile aban pa hin a b c d and e are 5 continuous odd numbers. Their average is na odd number ang kititas odd number yung ti phat le 1 3 5 7 9 etc. Vela chun nia kal chuna jong nia kal su ke chu nia kal su ke le vela chun b hi consecutive terms ana se le ija dam a plus 2 na c hi la a plus 4 d hi la a plus 6 na e chula la e hi a plus 4 la e hi ja data a plus 8 average e b data azawa ise ma bang win average c hi chu c chu a plus 4 chula na a plus 4 ale ila hin question number 30 line event ki tele average ep tam average in ti pha le 2 4 6 8 9 nia kal thok thok chu na nia kal thok thok so bona nia kal so ke that means b to a plus 2 c to a plus 4 d to a plus 6 e to a plus 8 average to a plus c dis na nga hi le alai lai ta to c chu a plus 4 ma ma na 30 na achun answer to a plus 4 ma hi ai le tu hin aba hin concept tha khat ga sim kit ni tin ai le loi te ho tu hin awanin average mathematical calculation ho chu in sim ta tu hin daily life in apply bol dan in jil kit ta tin na average in ti pha la I power chun a hang p 80,000 na ahin la hi chu a complete g point mathematical explanation bol di 11 ja chung chuma essay the ju a hang p in ti ting le explain bol go 11 suppose class ka na hin mi hi a b c d e au me ti to ama ho hin exam bol win exam in mark amu chu mi nga o me taw te exam abol win ahile amo hin mi thum hin mark som gup che amui taute mi thum min mark som gup muin khat hin mark 65 amuin khat hin 55 amuin ahile principal pa comment na report go tai na amak mo sa no report go rechun itin report ding ham itin report dem na report phat le abon cha wa chun na bai hana na sei hi lo so na ijazat principal pa chun ijazat amu na wem anti a hele nang chun e chun 55 amu in khaten in chun som amu in khat chun 65 amu ta complete na chu report hi ve chu na report dinga hi le chu at least puma na chu ya na report nga lo wa hi le ta na sei lo at least puma na chi ya na report dinga lo ta na sei so hin la informally ga ke holim na gang ta ip ga sei wem a hang pi in mark som gu mu le atam jon mark som gu mu le ti so that means mi tum jon mark som amu hi ta ya nang jon a hang pi a som gu amu ve na ti so a hang pi that means average mark pa na sei ni tas not the individual marks that means 55 mu pa chun ama yong chu som gu mu hol as na jaw sa chu average mark na sei ni tas chuki le 65 mu pa yong chu actual mark chu 65 a hi wangin average mark a hang pi a som gu me hi ja chun nang 65 ti lo hilin ama yong chu 60 na ti pi ta chu a hang pi a sei na te khen nan tu condition bang hin coronavirus ha lai ta in na a hi le suppose india sunga hin mi hi ti jing ten na ni khana hi mi zakhat thi hen lang ajinga hi mi zakhat le nga thian lang ajing kin na hin mi som ko thian lang ta zakhat le kinai zu si zakhat le kinai ya hi ta hi mi be ing nang itina se ning ham mi zakhat tabang abe ing ti so zakhat chi pin tabang na ti chu pyam average ti ni so general ta ma na la so a hi le ti chu average ti tabang ho hin exam khat om ta na exam hin mi nga om ta te exam ki bol hin khat hin mark som a chun mark som amu in b hin ma nga amu in c hin 20 marks amu in d hin 5 marks ma amu in na e hin 10 marks ma amu e suppose na a hi le ama mu ki bang lo d b to d le ki bang average is that mean ham 10 plus 5 15 plus 20 35 40 50 marks of nga total marks of nga amu average is that tile divided by 5 10 is 50 10 to average ta a hi le na average mark to 10 ta hilahin there are two types of marks, two types of values. We can say two types of marks or two types of values. Khati pi ham tile average mark to abon wa 10 ta average mark 10 tin ip se ham tile e adi nga yong hin average mark 10 d adi nga yong hin 10 c adi nga 10 b adi nga 10 a adi nga 10 hilahin ichi pi ti ham tile actual marks I actual mark to soma hi wang soma hi in average mark on to soma hi ti nei ele helai condition hin average mark to 5 so hello actual mark to 5 average mark to som average mark som si ipising nam tile abon cha wa hin a mark equalize ki ball equalize kyung ball actual marks differ na helai 10 5 25 10 ki tu hai actual marks average mark to abon ai som che chun ipi vet sem tile a hom pas na kai sanga asau asang pas na kai niam cho level ana ball cho na level kan ana koi ti cho average mark hilai condition hin chi hi ipiam tile actual mark average mark tu ya nam ten na ti cho hin ai hi le average mark hi khanin kal sa le chun ep ati dem na average mark hi kal sa le chun laya mark som apana ni khat kal ding nga apana khat kal ding som ni apana khat kal ki ding nga apana khat kal ding som apana khat kal ki ti ni lagin say bit na suppose a b c number 2 ma hitai na average su a hit ta de ahi le average से खाने निकालते ले EP के सही ना हम average mark के बांग सो क्या जो ना average mark for C equal to average mark for B average mark for A that means average lang खत अकल ले abon wa खत कल सो क्या रीति नहीं हाँ सुबह के ले average ही double करी तले double हिले abon y double j du dini chukile in other words it is say thevam tile its number or his double hi lang le average also double thing hi dini its number here dividing by some number a constant number that means the average will also be divided by the same number now if its number is subtracted by a constant number then the average will also be subtracted by the same number na so ni pivot sem tile since in each of the numbers has direct effect on the average that means if its number is added multiplied divided or subtracted with a constant number then the average is also added multiplied divided or subtracted with the same number to aka se concept chu apoi more he jingin application average daily life I apply in mandu ho it's based away kin so thing so is it apoi more he jingin one mark pu in jong akidong jin na exam phat le aki ha to mun the then simple question yang ki ha to the na ye no ngai ti chu ji thole han ji ji do han ti le that is if its number is added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided by a number, the average is also added, subtracted, multiplied, divided by the same number. That means it's a live condition to khat na. Its number hin khat chi hap le chun average a khat na hap to khat. That means average lang hin khat hap le chun a number zo si ai khat na hap to khat hi. Ai lo le average nga hin 2 multiply le chun number zo si ai hin 2 ki multiply to khat hi. Ai lo le 3 average 3 a divide le chun number zo si 3 a na divide to khat hi. Ai lo le khat minus bo le chun a number zo si chu 1 a ki minus to khat hi. Cho concept chu. Chu apoi mo hin a concept chu he thim ngai. Chu he thim mo ba le application lang ilu du tai. Ai le question har da abe with average of any 10 numbers is 50 na. Si average ta. If its number is increased by 2, find the new average. Average of 50 number sum na. Its number is increased by 2 plus 2 dito. Number zo is plus 2 is okay ding ai azo si bang ba win average lang yung plus 2 dito din sila na. That means is that surata 52. New average so 52 ki surata na. Ahile average of any 20 numbers is 40 if its number is increased, if its number is decreased by 5. Find the new average. Na. Average is 40. Its number is decreased by 5. That is number zo si chu nga kim ta nga kim le average song chu change in each of the number will have direct effect on the average na. That means minus 5. Lang minus 5 ile na. Is that the 35 is the new average na. Abanin average of any 25 numbers is 30. If its number is multiplied by 2, if its number is multiplied by 2, find the new average na. Five numbers average is if its number is multiplied by 2, average will also be multiplied by 2. New average is 30 into 2 to 60. This is the new average. Average of any 30 number is 100. if its number is divided by 5. Find the new average. Nah. Average is how? 100. If its number is divided by 5, this will also be divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. This is the new average. Ahile, it's all base ahin question aban banin ko inte ale. Ahile, question number 33 and average age of 8 men is increased by 3 years when 2 of them whose ages are 30 and 34 years are replaced by 2 persons. What is the average age of the 2 persons? 2 persons ati hi atha alu teni se ni cho. A question hi he thema sa angayam na. Ipi se ham tile 8 persons au meti. 8 persons au mun aku mo kisaylo na. Aku mo kisaylo hisilahin mini apo na meti. So mini apo na win another 2 person ahong lut neti so. Velatun another 2 person ahong lut na hile anum sa ho ko mi average in 3 years akala ti. Average ye tim no wala aku muju kum thumin akala ti. Kum thumin akala vedis. Velatun apo to teni to ahong lut teni akum hon 2 persons aku mo ki bang tehen lang hile 8 persons is effect ang low dito na koi macha apon low ta kat dito ahin la hilang hi plus 3 ki bol that means hilang is kum thuma kal so na ita ba nga exchange ay lo replacement ahung pa na hin kum thum average in kum thum akali that means langa ahung lut bete ni hi apote ni sanga akuman alini ti na izana din ham kicho involved jo ahile a question api chi piam 30 and 34 years ipikum ham atile helaya apot do teni kum jo khatu kum som thuma hin khatu kum som gu leli hi ti that means kumyata kum som thum leli hi le 64 years. Nah, amani 64 years. 64 years apo do mini ahung lut bi ala kum thuma average a kum thuma le na hi le ahung lut te ni hi 64 sanga li ni ti ni 64 sanga ale le amani kum hi all in ti so na average is of the 2 person average na muna dingin asam pa na mu masak na average equal to sum divided by number. Number chile 2 hi kheta to. Sum hele chun average sud baila mana hor ta na. Hi je chun 2 persons teni kum hi izan ham ti I het mus pot masak na. Izan ham ti I het na dinga chun we have to find what is the total change. Hilangin average a kum thum. Average a kum thum akala hi le total changes in the years. Isa dinga mitile velachun a formula hi velachun some formula si piding tam average into number na aile lahin average is increased by 3 years number si 8 jo hilahin number 8 niya average su 3 jo total increase jata 3 into 8 to 24 na ahilo ahile iti say taking them suppose a b c d e f g h 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 mi get to hi tawe ti 8 persons na average ti taute hilang hin average is increased by 3 years average increased by 3 years ti le azuwa concept is se ham average su kumthuma akal le each person is will increase by 3 plus 3 calving plus 3 calving plus 3 calving plus 3 calving plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 kumthum che kal chu na kumthum che akal le total increase is at ham 3 how many times 8 times 24 years total increase na chi ta ke bang ta 24 years total increase why ibidinga hung increase am tile anglu tha te ni je ai chu ahile that change is because of those two newcomers ahile amani kumchu chi 24 to it's like apo to te ni kum nago mai le namu do that means 64 plus 24 to 8 into 3 na is that the now ang lu te ni so 88 years ta 88 years here average sula divided by me jara mini 44 years na ahile khadve in explain back in katin same question mama so na sila hi na confuse mai the na average age of 8 men is increased by 3 years atis a concept ne ta tla na ama sa pena mi get uma sila panahi mini photo a mini mama hulu kicho apodo teni kumto amulu teni kumiti banghen lang le langa akum hi change sum lo bicho changes sum ta kum thuma kal ta ibidinga hamiti le anglu tha te ni hi akum hon apo te ni sanga kum tamjo ati je ai la he kal the na ai le chu khat chu ti ta ve average of 8 men is increased by 3 years average su thuma kal ta so langa se ba average thuma kal le total changes is ja ding ham na 8% si le 3 into 8 3 to 8 times means 24 8 into 3 now average to 3 hi le numbers 8 hi le sum equal to average into number 3 into 8 24 total changes to 24 yeah to 24 hi le apote ni chu kum chu 30 ya 34 hi le te ni gom le chun 64 exam thing calculate da so lang calculate le na 30 plus 34 jo 64 ta ahi le is 64 pot ta ai average akal thia hi le alu te ni kum jo 64 plus ichi ta alu te ni na ai la ya hi izat kal be ham tin het na dingai 3 into 8 changes na a changes if ham average increase by 3 that means total change so 3 into 8 24 na ahile how much 88 average to 88 divided by 2 langin 2 bol ke lechun 44 na chichu ahin ichi da bang question ana bol be din tele ele abana bol kin hitin out of 10 teachers of a school, one teacher retires, and in place of him, a new teacher, 25-year-old, joins. As a result of it, average age of the teachers reduces by 3 years. Age of the retired teacher in years is. A question he as a y evolves to a key and the point. A number of here. Na, a question he is saying, school ka na hin teachers ho mo me 10 person na ahile ichila ahin mi khat ahain ama replace ding achun mi khat ahung kin ati ahile ichi replacement ki ka alahin average of the teachers to kum thumin akim ati na average akim thia ile ipiham langa he 25 years koi kuma matile ahung lu tha pa na ahung lu tha pa kum so mi tha pa he ahung join na ko na hin as a result average kum thum akum chu kum thuma anim thia hi le ama kum average sanga thom joy ki ne cho akum a thom ji a hi ama kum hin average su akai nim ti ne cho abul la chun ibi se vem ti le tabang graph om tai suppose na average chi level hi na average bang chu suppose 30 tai ti te ale ama ahung lu je hin ama kum chu 25 so average sanga thom to na a thom chu a hi le ama hin average level akai nim bi ti akai nim le bi chan hoi ngi ta akai nim a hi le design equation na do kit is of retired teacher na langam la a high pa kum chu iza ham thi cho a high pa kum hi iza ending ham itile 25 sangai tamja di ti chin su ipia ko na chin sung ham itile alut pa to a high pa ji a chin sung mai cho na minus 3 that means ama kumi 25 plus di ti 25 plus kumizana ki hi honda ham ti chu ne he na hele total apot pa total kum chen he ahile izana ama kum sanga izana lin ham iti ahile average reduced by 3 ti chu na average reduced by 3 ahile abu azowa ise ma bangwin 10% ta so average su 8 yute average kum thuma thoma hile each person mi khana kum thuma nim le mi so ma su kum ya nim ta 30 years total of 30 years decrease ti ne cha total of 30 years decrease hile 30 years total decrease su it is because of amani kum hi ji a jo na amani kum ke bang hen lang le change sum lo ti ne jo 30 years decrease lo jo kum aki hi defense amani ki ka hi 30 ta 30 defense om ji a hi kum minus 3 ki jo jo na a hi ja chun kum izana ama sangai apot pa lin jo dham mi ti le 30 years a lin jo hi that means apot pa kum chi ja ta 55 na ibinga pass plus ki bor ham ti le amani kum ki hi aki hi na 25 years pa hi that means newcomer pa hi from zo outgoing pa lien jo de ti ne jo lang decrease the na akum sa kai nim the ala ma kum apot pa kum chi lien zo ti ne jo ji a jo hi ai le retired pa kum cho 55 years ale ai lo le each equation hi anza chum de ka ko na ASN method average sum number average equal to sum by number sum formula ipiritam average into n na sum hi average to number no multiply ala sum no so atila bole chun 10% na average he povin 8 ta sum chu a into 10 10a ta na ai le final achun replacement hi je achun soma ma ta na average su kumthuma kim chuna kumthuma kim minus minus 3 a minus 3 so ta na sum chula final sum to 10 into a minus 3 na vela chun isla ki ka hin mi khat po chuna mi khat apo ta kum ke lo chu minus x tu te mi khat po na mi khat hung lu chuna ang lu pai kum mi jan ham 25 that means hichila si sum cho na hichila hi 10 hi na go ma ile chin po ti ne cho 10a minus x plus 25 equal to 10a minus 3 10a minus 3 na अहिले vela chun 10a minus 30 10a hi to 10a cancel chun minus x langa chi sa chun x ki soding minus 30 langa chi sa chun plus 30 su na plus 30 to plus 25 gom na chun 55 x value 55 langa apo to pa hi akum chu 55 he tai abanin in a class there are 40 boys and their average age is 16 years. One boy is at 17 years lives and another joins. Then average age becomes 15.875 years. The age of the new boy is. Mas penin ASN method na putting the up. A S N. How many? 40 boys na. Average is 16 na. 16 years. Sum से ज़्यादा था 16 into 40 ना. अब one boy is at 17 years lives. Minus 17 है ना. कुम्मी खत he chose 17 years in alief ta and another joins. The age of the new boy pai calculate hu chila na ahile the average age becomes 15.875. Average su 16 na pa na 15.875 ki su ta cho ahile langa in replacement hi je chon 40 ma ma ni chila na ahile hilai kumi ja ta 40 into 15.875 equation C pi ta tile 16 into 40 minus 17 plus x equal to 40 into 15.875. Where multiply na board ta multiply na board lang multiply na board it will take you lots of time 5 minutes lang ang thei na ahi se chun tabang replacement question ho in ASN method sangin ajawa I bol na a concept basis a chun I bol ki kang zo ahi se chun ASN method na ka bol pe lo cho ASN method na I bol multiply bol na ding ajawa concept chu il bol le hen multiply bol na ai le chi chi mai mai le chun x na ho ding ki tai na then multiply na bol na ta cho 16 4 is 64 na 640 minus 640 langa minus 640 minus 17 minus na bol le 3 minus 1 2 623 4 5 is 20 4 7 is 20 9 30 4 8 is 32 35 4 5 is 20 23 635 minus 623 minus 6232 12 x equal to 12. The age of the new boy is 12. By multiply the boards na ahin like example le to bang ahin ASN tia bona data house na department lo so ai je chun ASN method login a concept this is as ko ta ke copy put na ba lahin vele chun ati la bula chun average is anam 16 so na ahile 16 becomes first average second average so na average came to 16 becomes 15.875. How much decrease na 15.875 is a decrease 5 to 0.125 km na 0.125 average akim le total decrease is ham average into number total number 40 na 40 bole chun into 40 bole chun total decrease na multa ale 0 koi put na 4 5 is 20 4 2 are 8 9 10 4 1 is 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 5 years total decrease 5 years ale decrease evening a decrease ham tilen one boy aged 17 years lives in another zones akum ang hom thia hile ahung lut pa sanga apo do pa kum jeli jeli teenage na izana lin dam tile kum nga alin jeli so ada pa 17 here na another zone then average is becomes the age of the new boy na 17 minus 5 na board ta ibinga minus 5 ki board ham tile apodo pa to 17 years ang lut pa to from the teenage at home jo ja kum chu average kum chu ga home hai so ati ja minus board ta that means 12 years azo yang 12 mo sila na ahile he chu ita jo ne thelu ba ide azo why should go mo chun 40% na 1% pot na jo 17 years na khat hung lu na hi le average decrease ta chu average is ana decrease 5 years sorry 0.125 average as na minus 0.125 average are 0.125 km so that means 5 years average sang in 5 years na 5 years are km so that means langa ahung lut pa kum hi 17 average akim thia hile apo to pa kum milin zo di ne so na izana lin zo hamitile total changes to 5 years la na 17 minus 5 so 12 years teenage ang buta pa na ichi ikyang ana kidong hamitile CCL 2000 ana kidong cha vele chun lai hin multiply ha bor ngai lo so na azo wa chu ta ha su ngai multiply ha bor ngai hay na line chi concept ni thei po wa hi le khan ni ne le multiply bol le chun 6 na pa na iza thui kum iza ang kim ham ti chun he nai le chu chai he how ti le aban na bor be how tin. Question number 36. A student finds the average of 10 two-digit numbers. 10 two-digit numbers ati hi het thim na 10 ti ju so mati na na 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 two-digit numbers ati le two-digit number 12 jang two-digit number 51 jang two-digit number na ichi ho hi so mati ne chu khat ni thum tabangain so hi copy abo so while copying numbers he writes one number with its digits interchanged by mistake na as a result his answer is 1.8 less than the correct answer. The difference of the digits of the number in which he made mistake is this. Ahi le a question hi pose boron lang khat ve kisim hai den kisim na na bol ta ole ki ma in explaining the kusal khat hin kita pangahin two-digit number na two-digit number ako siya jatam 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 tabangin number som sa number som copy about na copy about in 21 sud di bang chu amahin 12 fa sud kha 12 fa sud kha le suppose total about na hin total 100 bang ki 100 bang hi le 21 sud ani nga 12 fa sud kha hi le a number mu che form ni ti ne so na form ma chu number izana hum form ma mi ti le 1.8 less than the correct answer is 101.8 mu 101.8 mu di hi aman 100 amu ta si akot adi di pa ya si arong pa so na ti so 101.8 mu di hi aman 100 amu le a correct answer izana ki ham 1.8 form 1.8 na form in answer amu e ti so atile is line number 10 ni 21 2 to 1 suppose na digit chu 21 hitale 2 to 1 difference na 2 to 1 difference 1 chula na chu izan ham whole in ti ahile elahin mas pwede ASN method mati natin ASN numbers is that number is that sum chula na PM so average PM average ki pilo na and average A in la tawag that means 10A ta so a final sum number sum ma so na it's a concept of replacement ahile average his answer is 1 point is less than the correct answer find average of all so na average of all his answer the average ti ne ta so his average is 1 point is less than the correct answer that means the correct average that means 1 point in from ti ne so na then into a minus 1.8. The difference of the digits of the number in which he made mistake is his equation he understand theme natin in digit interchange na digit interchange chung chang concept ni ne theme mangayin na suppose 21 becomes 1 2 taso that means number et represent you 10x plus y 2 digit numbers 10x plus y are represent this of that means x bang chu 2 ita hen lang le 20 plus y to 1 hen 2 hen 1 hen lang le 21 so na 2 digit numbers so 2 digit numbers general it represent 10x plus y or 10y plus x this na ai le chi interchange ki bota interchange nan bola hele 10y plus x ki bota iteni difference ip ding ha mitile iteni minus bola chun 9x minus y bola this is the bang interchanging question so hi this is topic le hilovin topic dang inangan moding na hin na this is achun silai concept isi pen in het na hile na nga ka chom difference na bola hile 9x minus y potting sum bola chun sum means suppose 21 to 12 gop na gop di na lamang so the sum na bola hile 11x plus y bola so इसी नाम दिले गोम ले चुन 10x plus x to 11x था ना 10y plus y to 11y था जो minus बोले चुन 10x plus y minus 10y minus x ना आइले x to 10x minus x 9x था ना 10y minus y to minus 9y 9x minus y na ahi le twin sum pa to la du he point difference ato ohin na nine x minus y hi ipito ki bangdha mitile ten a he ep here 10a minus 1 point ep hum 10a that means first sum that means correct sum de pi oh the correct sum de pi ya it's ep hum the 40 sum de pi it is oh that means 10a minus na bola hele 1.8 na multi 10a minus 1.8 equal to ibida ki bangha mitile hichi da ki bangde 9x minus y that means 10a minus 10a plus 1.8 into 10a minus so na minus into minus plus 10 into 1.8 to 80 if it equal to 9x minus y ko bola until 9x minus y so any difference so any difference na any difference to 9x minus y so isu ipito ki bangham tile isi any ki je a chulangai 1.8 ngi ki so na every sa ati ja te ni minus to equalize ki bon so that means te ni cancel le chun 18 equal to 9x minus 1 9 how many is 18 9 2 is 18 2 equal to x minus 1 x in ep represent हम तेले first digit y in ep represent हम तेले second digit difference of the two digits is 2 तीन so ASN method na iga solve for him ASN method ni saw ai na a concept ni team lo im du hi je chun ASN method ni login exam point of view bin put ki le ele chun 10 numbers total 10 numbers so total 10 numbers here langa average any difference 1.8 so average difference 1.8 hi le total difference is ating हम 1.8 into 10 numbers है 10 1.8 into 10 to 18 total difference है ना 18 to total difference है ले this EP ले के बंद हम तेले हिलाया 18 difference 18 पॉट हम तेले हिलाया interchange आ जो difference हम पॉट जो that means this is due to 9x minus 1 ना that means 9x minus y equal to 18 9 2 is 18 I let x minus y to 2 ta na ahile question aban in previous year question ma ha pichu to ke bang che in another way of expression no? The average increases by 3.6. The difference of the digits of the number in which he made mistake is ahile like question he like sumbo hin na average to hita banga interchange ahin average 3.6 in equality. That means suppose 12 bang hindi to aman 21 so adi lo part or adi the part 12 so that means wrong average wrong sum to tam the teenage na average increases by 3.8 that means total increase in average is ham tele increase of average is around 3.6 so total increase of total increase is ata a into n na a to average to 3.6 into numbers to 10 so that means 36 increase 36 if you give हम के लिए 9x minus y अथवा 9x minus y की टिकट करता है अहिले the difference of the digits of the number in which he made mistake to 9x minus y की so 9x minus y x minus y oh that means 9 4 is 36 x minus value to 4 oh. To in aban ball 18 to chana question in ball to EPP question amitile questions based on replacement that means mi khat apol le khat mahlut mini apol le mini mahlut mithum pol le mithum mahlut replace ki ball that means original number equal to final number to hin one person added or one person more joins na khat mahlut be ti so average weight of 40 students is 50 kg one student joins the class mi khat mahlut be ta na that means initial number to final number chu khana khede ta then the average weight increases by 1 kg find the weight of the new student na ang lu tha pa chu a weight is at ham ti holen ti cha ale tabang question hi bailam thana khu din ti a hele concept hello jong la chun bailam thana khu din ti a hele a s n 40 students so na average to 50 kg na ale one student joins the class mi khat ang lu be a hele class 1 that means 41 students class average weight increases by 1 kg average jong hi khana kal jo 51 ki sota na 41 50 find the weight of the new student aile weight of the new student na holding a hele 40 hito 1 multiply and lang hila chun 40 into plus 1 chu plus 40 ta so na assign jong lat abanin 51 into plus 1 multiply multiply plus 51 plus and plus hi le plus ta so na plus na bol le 91 weight of the new student is 91 kg assign jong plus a hi le 91 kg so answer adi nai ali ibidinga 41 to 1 ki goma 41 to 1 multiply ki goma 51 to 1 multiply ki bola ham ti cho concept sei le hai suppose class ka nahin mi thum am taw a b c na ammo hi khat weight hi 20 khat weight hi 30 khat weight hi 20 na average weight is 25 average weight to 25 से ताकते ना average weight 25 है ले C average weight yang 25 B yang 25 A yang 25 ini जो actual weight wang to 20 30 20 actual weight differs from average weight na ahile amwala ahin mi khat ang lu betai D ama weight hi 40 tama so na average weight sang tam so that means aku matam je ahin ama hin average ang su kal so izana ang su kal dam ti so chum ta na asu aku matam je ahin awe tam je ahin average weight su kal so average weight asu kala he suppose average weight become 30 ang hum to tai na average weight 30 hi le C ang 30 hi ding B ang 30 ding A ang 30 ding D a gya yang hi ang lut phat hi le average weight to 30 hi di hi chuma bang chun hila hin mi khat hung lut be na 40 students average weight to 50 kg mi khat hung lut be le average weight hi 50 ni chu khana kal be le 51 ta 51 ahi ta le ang lut tha pa hi 1% pa ama yong hi average weight chu ya ti 51 kg ta ang lut pha na ma yong 51 kg na that means 51 into plus 1 to 51 kg ta kita ale average weight ka ti so na average weight increases ama ahung lu ja average weight akala hi le ama kumchu atila average weight sang atam zoi ti ne that means 51 plus 51 average weight hi a hele average weight is not the actual weight iti tau chona average actual weight will be more than this average weight. Why? Because of his entry weight increases ama alu ja a weight cho akala hele ama jon asu kalti ne cho that means ama kum cho tam ti ne cho 51 hito plus izat bo ging ham changes total change na 40 students ya average of khat akala hele total izat kaldam itile 40 into 1 40 plus 40 kalti sum equal to a into n iti usuna na average so kal so number to 40 students so na ai da total ja kal the 40 into 1 to 40 total plus 40 to total change total increase average langa khat akal le otherwise you a b c average langa khat akal le abon wa khat also carry the nature. That means 1 into number that is 3 two condition 1 into 40 students 1 into 40 to 40 total in a current. That means ama weight power weight to 191 kg time. Tuni ading chance na ball within jing hile one person edit concept main khat ko be within chuban kile one person left to the edit again one person left aban kile more than one person entry left on kit nin tabang ma chan za chum in bo de questions based on family ang ping tha ai la thi ti ho za chum ong kit in ti ho chu aban ti in bo kit ngai ja chun ball cheng u ana practice kit meeting I had thi lo ho ko meeting ti ho ji had thi lo ho chu comment box in da on koi la chu da section ang ball jing thei wi ki chu avel ai se kit meeting tu ni session chan na ta de ka ke pai